Hello, I'm Manoj Agarwal. I'm sitting here today with Mr. Ulhas Faldesai. He's the chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank, and we're going to talk to him about the achievements of the bank and the new initiatives at the bank. So, welcome, Mr. Desai. So, tell us a little bit of what this bank, Goa State Cooperative Bank, has been doing in the last few years, and any major landmarks.
Goa State Cooperative Bank is a apex bank of the state of Goa, and also for Daman and Diu.
Right.
And our main focus on the agriculture sector. Last 2 years, we have developed our own data center, in-house core banking system, ATM. Also, we have developed one instrument for financial inclusion, which will deliver multiple services to the people of the state of Goa.
Okay.
Yeah, this bank is mainly we got within these 2 years direct transfer benefit of the central government and the state government. Well, we are on the platform of this one national. We are having NET also.
Okay.
We have developed fast truncation system, check system,
Check truncation, yes.
check truncation system. Then we are having in-house printing of the checks,
Okay.
which we have done in the data center, and which is having the foolproof security.
Okay.
And now our main this one is there to develop the mobile banking and internet banking. Yeah.
So your bank is taking one after another, several initiatives on the technology angle. Tell us a little bit about the business developments. What kind of expansion and growth has happened, and what new innovation has happened from the business perspective?
From the business perspective, this is mainly agriculture sector bank, having all the societies, PACs, consumer societies, consumer federations, sugarcane factories, all government salaried societies, and all other societies, housing and this one, all they are the members of this bank, being a apex bank.
Right.
And we are providing them a finance through the bank to advance to their members.
Okay.
And recently, we had a surplus deposit after the close down of the mining,
Okay.
and we have introduced the scheme for the government servant with lower rate of interest, which has helped us to lend around 400 crores within a year.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the main this one, and we are focusing mainly on the tourism sector and the agriculture sector, because in Goa there were three sectors. Main sector was the mining sector, which has been closed down since 2012.
Okay.
Now second sector is the tourism, and third system is the farm agriculture. Because of the mining, agriculture sector was very down.
Okay.
Now the government has provided incentives for increasing the agriculture sector, and thereby our agricultural loaning also simultaneously within these 2 years increased fourfold.
So what was the ratio of mining versus agriculture versus tourism in 2011 or 12? And what is the ratio of tourism and agriculture now?
So right now,
Rough idea.
roughly, mining sector exposure was around 100 crores.
Okay.
Then agriculture sector, it was very less, which was around 18 crores.
Okay.
Then priority sector, industry and this one, it was a major sector
Okay.
where our lending is around, I think 30%.
Okay.
And all the other this one lending to the societies, sugarcane factories and this one, it is almost another 25%.
What was tourism
Tourism includes in the industries.
in the?
Yeah.
And what is
Because
it now?
hotel projects and this one. It is.
What is it now?
Now it is increasing, the trend is increasing.
No. Which has grown the fastest?
The fastest growth is the growth in the agriculture now.
Agriculture.
Yeah. Agriculture and the tourism, both.
And tourism.
Tourism.
So do you have any partnerships with any private or government organizations for tourism and agriculture?
No, there is no partnership that way.
Okay.
We don't have any partnership. But all the agriculture loaning and this one, it is done to the Goa State Cooperative Bank. Mainly through the PACs and this one.
What about crop loans? Do you do that?
Yeah.
Crop insurance, I mean. Sorry.
Yeah, crop insurance we do.
Okay.
We are having other corporate agency for the insurance,
Okay.
where we are getting the income, additional income. Plus all the assets are insured.
Okay.
Even the loaning which has been done
Is
to
insurance.
the individual this one person, it is
General
insured.
insurance.
General insurance.
Do you have a specific partner for that?
Yeah, we are the specific partner in that.
Any?
Yeah, and also more advances in tourism sector is for the vehicles and this one, vehicle and housing.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we talked about business and technology. Any other major initiative?
Major initiative is there. We have developed now financial inclusion on software, which is going on for testing is going on.
Okay.
Yeah, and where we will give the multiple services to the people. Our person will go to the villages where on the laptop, for example, for payment of the bills, electricity bill, water bills, or deposits, payments, everything will be done by the person, that is the BCS. BCS will do that business, and mainly we at the starting point we are trying to go to the villages at the village panchayat level, then other people,
Okay.
because here there is a old pension system is there, then unemployed women getting the amount, and those people are traveling far away to the branches. We are having around Dayanand Suraksha Yojana, that is old age pension. We are having around 90,000 accounts.
Okay.
Yeah, every month the disbursement is, and in order to help them, Goa government wants to disburse this amount at their doorsteps. That we are also trying
As cash? How
as
is it?
cash
As cash.
through BCS.
To be
Yeah, that automatically that whatever instrument you have prepared on that receipt, everything will come, and it will hit from there directly to the data center, the transaction.
So this software will be ready soon?
Yeah, software is already ready.
Testing.
Testing is going on. If testing is over, then we will start it, because we want the node from this one, NPCI.
Wonderful, great. Good to hear about such interesting initiative. Good to see the bank in Goa is developing so much technology of its own.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Also, I am the vice chairman on the National Federation for State Cooperative Banks.
Okay,
Yeah, Western Youth.
great. Pleasure to meet you, Mr. Ulhas. All the
Thank
best.
you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Thank you.